And there'll be no sunset tonight because they're spraying us like crazy. Happening all day. There goes that one there. This is April the 3rd, 2013. Oh, gee, look. Looks like they made another X. But anyway, all this crappy haze is everywhere. Gray haze. And it's just everywhere. They've been shooting all day. All that. Oh, I just saw something flash up there. Oh, there's a reflection of one shooting up there in clouds. You have to excuse my voice. I grabbed a Rice Krispie treat as I came out. See them as thick as it is. And they're still shooting. Maybe I will put it on the tripod. Tripod's still out here. Be easier for y'all to see. There's the sunset, what's left of it. Of course you can see there's just haze everywhere. You know. There's two going there. See them? You got one right above him. Let's see if I can get him. See where he is. It's coming down to these two small ones there. He should be right about I'm a little high on him. Let's figure out. Yeah, on this, oh wow, I'm missing this guy streaking across the corridor. Check him out. Can you see him? There he goes. See all that? Yeah. Yeah. Mother Nature made clouds look like that. Mm-hmm. And he's bulletproofing it across there, and ain't nobody paying any attention to him. They at soccer games and t-ball games. They're worried about March Madness. And the gun laws. This isn't as easy as you think it is because of how fast they move. And then, oh look, had one shoot right through where he just came through. Came right down out of the clouds, really. See all that crap? Look at all that stuff he just sprayed. All the way down. See that? All the way up. All the way up. Yeah. Well, this guy, he's up so high, I'll never find him for you. Because up against the white base, you can't see him. So it's hard either way you go. Up against the white base, you can't see him. Up against the blue base, you can't see him. Now, I've been told by someone who's done this for many years that you see how all of that is rippling? I'm going to hold it still for just a minute and let you watch what happens to what this bastard just left over on top of my house. I'm gonna hold it still and let you watch to see what happens. And just watch this that he's left behind instead of moving so much. It's hard not to move it because that's what it does, is it moves across the sky. It's filament. But anyway, I've been told by somebody that's done this for several years now that as that projects down like that, what I like to call spitballs or knitting, I've been told they're electromagnetic bursts. And you wonder why somebody might chew the face off of another man who has no history of that kind of activity or behavior whatsoever. Well, these electromagnetic bursts into the atmosphere can affect anybody at any time. Your way of thinking, your frame of mind. So yeah, that's what it's doing. So it was just a little white stream, you know, when I showed you as he was going across there, right? And you think, well, that's not going to amount to much. Well, now you're watching it, seeing what it's doing. And as it expands out, it and all the others, you know, meet together, and it creates this quilt that we're living under. Only quilts as we know it are to keep you warm and usually made by your grandmother. It's usually a good thing. This is anything but a good thing. And anybody in their right mind who can tell me that that was a jet headed to Fort Walton Beach is just nuts. Just nuts. So there's a lot of theories out there, but because I truly believe that this is a warfare of some form, then I'm starting to buy into the fact that even the United Nations and their weather wars and climate wars and what people call Star Wars, I'm beginning to think even they don't have the money to fund that. So life is stranger than fiction. And in the late 1800s, a gentleman wrote, well, first of all, it was anonymously written. Probably one of the wisest things he ever did. But in the late 1800s, there was a published, what they thought at the time was just a science fiction book, you know, a story about what's called VRIL energy, VRIL. And it talks about the coming race of beings from within the earth. And then oh look, got one coming here. Let's see. Find the utility pole. Yeah, there he is, see? I don't know why that just went dark. Guess he didn't like me filming him. And he just came out of those clouds right down there. See there? I mean, there's my sunset. What normally would be the sunset. Right there. And he just came out of those clouds. Right there. Came out of there. And as you see, he's running parallel to the one I just showed you as it unfolded. He's running parallel to that. I'm going to show you that here right now because he's up far enough now. I can show you that. See, there he is, there on the far left. And there's the one I was just showing you as it expanded, right? And there it expanded. And now look. He's running right there. See? He'll come out into the blue there in just a second. See it? Yeah. And he's running just parallel to that massive amount that just dispersed right there that we watched for quite some time. There he is, running parallel to it. Now, we got twin sisters headed to Fort Walton Beach. And see how that's dissipated enough. It's starting to float on through just enough. Here in just a couple of minutes, you won't even know it was there. shoot. Oh well. Oh yeah. Okay, same stuff. Check out. Same stuff that the one that just went parallel to him. Look at that. I'll back it up a little bit. It's the same cloud, same stuff that we just watched here as it filled out. See that? As it filled out? Now look. Same stuff. He's gone parallel. Check that out. See that? Same stuff. Second plane, less than 10 minutes. Same stuff. Look at that. Oh, we got another one. Got another one that's going. Oh, I got him and just went behind me. Let's see right there. He's going across. Same stuff. See there? Electromagnetic bursts are pulsating through our atmosphere. According to this one individual who has done this a lot longer than me. It's not people on vacation. And then I got another one over here that's left a little beauty right to my left side. So yeah, pretty active tonight. But they're all focused on the same chemicals tonight. They're all dispersing that right there. Whatever it is, if it's electromagnetic bursts. You see, I'm going to let you watch that for a couple of seconds here. Let you see what that does. Just like that first one. You'll watch it spread out and dissipate. And just like knitting a sweater. It's going to hook up. Okay, all the way around. Alright, so it's getting pretty chilly out here tonight. As you can see, what a little bit of sun we have is gone. They're busy spraying.